Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Nice to meet you. I think this moment is important for me, especially for us. I think now we can get a seminar or conference. I think I will try to speak English. Yeah, even though my department is Indonesian language education department, yeah, not English department, but education department. Uh, I mean, in the, I mean. Indonesian Language Education Department, yeah, where everybody I want um, to get screen a short screen for you, and then I think I want to present my paper or our paper, um, and then yeah, this is my paper. The the title of my paper is Development of Reading Comprehension Ability Assessment for Students. And then I have friend to research with me, research with me. That is Dr. Mariana Hesti, and then Roni Sulistyoyono, and then Ahmad Lufiadi. And then this my friends. We work together to make this paper. Yeah? Where everybody, I think I want to introduce to you in the past why we get the title of this, I think, development of reading comprehension ability assessment for students. Yeah, because the actually reading skill is important for us. Yeah, it is one of the skill in the language. You know that yeah, besides reading skill, we must have um, writing skill, yeah, and then speaking skill, and then listening skill too, yeah. And then so now we will try to, yeah, give you information about the reading skill course for students in higher education, yeah, especially in the Indonesian language study program at the University of Muhammadiyah Lampung, are not easy to achieve in learning indicator. Where I think, by the way, the measuring instrument used for the assessment is the manual assessment, and it is not effective yet. I think agree. The alternative to seeing the achievement for of language learning outcome, I mean, is to use the right measuring instrument, namely the assessment instrument. I mean, assessment of reading comprehension. Yeah, and then this assessment is developed based on the concept or theory of reading comprehension. Yeah, and then I think it is important to us to move, yeah, and then manual, yeah, I think the manual instrument, and then where we can get new, what is it, get a new assessment, yeah, new assessment tool maybe. And then by the way, the objective of this study is to develop an assessment instrument to measure students' reading comprehension skill for Indonesian language education students. Yeah, and then we know that the data collecting method is done through the Borg and Gall development method with 5 stages. yeah, I think it is important for us to know about the 5 steps from Brock and Girl development method. Yeah, and then I will try to yeah explain about it. The first pre-developments. Yeah, and then we now we can yeah we can do research and information collecting, and then planning. Yeah, the second development stage. Nah, there is development preliminary form of product and preliminary field testings. The third, I think, Brock and Girl development method. The third is final stage. Yeah, in this stage, the step 9 is used. Finally, product is the final product. Yeah, yeah. I think in final product we use that is what is it? The result is the final product. This result has limitations, namely the product in the form of an instrument as a new assessment tool until the validity test stage, and the result can be developed again to be broader and more perfect. I think it is the facts, yeah, and then where um, how we research, and then we can use the methods. So I think this research is research development using the R&D method. Yeah, 3 stages are used, namely the first is the stage of pre-development. The second is stage of development, and the third is the final stage. The 3 stages use 5 steps of R&D development. These states can be seen in figure 1. Yeah, like this. So everybody, you can do pre-developments. Yeah, decides maybe research and information. Yeah, and then planning. Development, we can do develop preliminary form of product, and then preliminary field testing. Yeah, and then final stage we can do final products. Yeah, I think there is outcome. So everybody, um, and then yeah, I think you you can know about that. Furthermore, the resulting assessment instrument was tested for validity using Aikin content validity test. Uh, Now, I think the appraiser rater consists of 3 experts in the field of Indonesians. You know that Aikin formula calculates content validity based on the result of expert assessment. Yeah? And then like this is the formula. Yeah? And then I think you can look it. Yeah, and then please look at this table. Yeah, I think you can know about the score. No, please look at it. Please look in the table, and then this is the category. Yeah. Score 1 if the category irrelevant. Yeah, irrelevant, and then score 2 if the category lack of relevant, and then score 3, you can get the category quite relevant, and then if we want to get score 4, I think you must get the category. Yeah, you get the category very relevant. Yeah, I think this is the what is it? The category about our instrument, yeah, and then about our assessment. So everybody, the validation index used is less than 0,4. The validity is low. Between 0,4 until 0,8, the validity is moderate. And then if it is more than 0,8, the validity is high. You know that the criteria used by the rater to assess the suitability of indicator and item can be presented in. Please look the table again like this. The criteria: number 1, language; number 2, theory; number 3, construction; number 4, adjective P, and then adjectivity, yeah. And then number 5, we can give the criteria systematic, yeah. And then I think we use this criteria if we want to know about the ability reading comprehension, and then I think the lecturer can use the criteria. And then result and analysis our research. So everybody, reading comprehension has 6 indicators based on the literature review as presented in. Where there is this table, I think you can do, and then you can use this indicator to make what is it? I think to know about ability reading comprehension for your students, yeah. And then the indicator is the stage of completing further readings, item 1 item. And then there is number 1, yeah. Number 2, understand the content of the reading. There are 2 items. And then number 3, interpret the content of the readings, 3 items. And then number 4, analyze the content of the readings, 4 items, yeah. And then number 5, examine the content of the text. We have 5 items. And then number 6, we get indicator is bring up a new post, yeah. And then we have 6 items. And then everybody, I think based on the resulting assessment instrument, there are 6 item question with 5 assessment aspects, yeah. And then the assessment was carried out to see the completability of the 6 question item with the 5 aspects assessed by the 3 rater, namely language, material, construction, objectivity, and systematics. I think there is easy, yeah, and then I think you can do it. So everybody, this is the result, yeah. I think this is construction, and then objectivity, and then systematic. If you want to know about the conclusions, I think the assessment developed is very useful for assessing language learning comprehension for Indonesian study program students, yeah. And then the instrument developed consists of 6 indicators with 6 items, and its relevance is seen with 5 criteria. The criteria seen from the suitability of indicator and item are language, material, construction, objectivity, and systematization, yeah. And then there is the last conclusions. I think this is important for us. Content validation was assessed by 3 assessor Richard with a very relevant assessment result. So shown by index results more than O.H. Yeah, I think everybody, there is my presentations. I hope I'm very sorry because my English still bad, and then now I always speak English with someone who can speak English, and then I think if there are conference like this, I always speak English even though my English still bad. Thank you very much for the extensions. Goodbye. See you the next. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.